Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you yet another toast notification library for Vue 3. So this is the success callback. It appears for 2 seconds, and then this is the error callback. You can display it any location positioning. It also shows the icon as well. So the package name is Vue toast notification. If you go to npmjs.com, just search for this package, which is Vue toast notification. So this is actually the package. So it already got 18,000 weekly downloads, and this is actually the command. I've already installed it, so it is compatible with the latest version. So once you install this, you just need to register it first of all. So just go to your main.ts file. So I will show you. So just go to this main.ts file, and right here you need to add this import statement to import the module. So import toast plugin, and it will be coming from Vue toast notification, and also we need to import the CSS file as well. So Vue toast notification slash dist slash theme default CSS, and also we need to import the bootstrap theme as well. So that's all, and after this we need to pass it this plugin, toast plugin. So that's all that we need to do. We need to import the CSS file, import the plugin, and pass it. So now open the app.vue file, close this file, and right here inside your template we have a simple button, three buttons. First of all, for showing the success callback, we will just find an on-click listener. So we'll say show success. So now we come to the TypeScript code inside the script tag. So we import this Vue toast notification, and then we say export default, and right here we define the setup function, and inside this we initialize this toast and use this hook use toast. And now we define this function source success. It's a callback function, and right here toast dot success. So right here it actually contains the success callback. So here you define the message that you want to display, and then it takes an object right here which contains the position. So I will say top right position, then how many seconds you want to display. So let's suppose 5 seconds, so it is 5000 millisecond, and then the property dismissible, which is true. So now it will have a cross icon, so that when you click it, it will go away. So if you refresh now, you will now see, if I refresh, or sorry, we do need to return this. So just add this method so that we can use it inside our Vue.js. Just put a comma, I think, return. Yeah, so if you see now, it will appear for 5 seconds and it will go away, or you can click it as well. If you click it, then also it goes away. So same goes if you want to change now for error. So it will now have this error here. So very simple plugin, you can easily use it. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit that like button, and also check out my website as well. freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.